Are you ready to unlock YouTube's money-making secrets for 2025 and beyond? Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up, this video is packed with strategies that actually work. Let's dive in. Why is 2025 the year to start making money on YouTube? YouTube offers numerous benefits for creators, making it one of the most powerful platforms to build a brand, engage with your audience, and monetize your content. When I started my channel in 2006, 19 years ago, it was easy to get a lot of traffic because there was hardly any competitors. Today, YouTube has over 2.5 billion users every month, but the potential to reach your ideal audience has never been greater. Here's why 2025 is a year to take action. Let's look at YouTube's enhanced revenue sharing models. 2025 is set to be a game changer, with YouTube doubling down on revenue sharing models. These include ads, channel memberships, super thanks, super chat and super stickers, YouTube shopping, and soon to be adding courses you can sell directly on YouTube. Also, don't forget the integration of shopping tools, which makes it seamless to sell products directly through your videos. Later, I'll break down the top 5 ways YouTube creators are cashing in on 2025. Growing demand for niche content. Audiences are craving for niche content, and that's where you come in. From DIY projects to very specific interests like minimalist living, there's a growing demand for creators that can serve these unique communities. The best part is that niche content often attracts highly engaged audiences, which is perfect for monetization. If your current channel covers a broad range of topics, think about niching down so you can get a more engaged audience. Let's talk about the rise of new AI tools. Creating high quality content has never been easier thanks to the rise of new AI tools. For example, if I click on the Inspiration tab in YouTube Studio, I can explore and brainstorm video ideas. These are the video ideas that it gave me. YouTube video mashup using trending sounds, low interest. This one's high interest, medium interest, medium interest. If I click on create a YouTube video using only AI tools, I get an outline, I get suggested titles and thumbnails. If I want to go deeper, I just click show more. Here it expands on the outline. If I click on show more next to titles, I get all these titles and I can even brainstorm new ideas from the title. If I don't like these thumbnails, I can click show more. Under let's brainstorm, I can describe my idea for a thumbnail. I can even get more inspiration from here. So you can see that the inspiration tab can save you a ton of time when you create a new video. If you have the Chrome extensions vidIQ or TubeBuddy, you can use their AI tools to generate different titles. For example, here are the different title suggestions that refresh every day just using the free Chrome extension vidIQ. With TubeBuddy, I can click on Title Generator, click Generate Ideas, and now I've got a bunch of different titles. I can also test different alternatives, like the thumbnail, title, description, and tags. With TubeBuddy, I can also add chapters. I've got a thumbnail analyzer, and I can also create a thumbnail. With vidIQ, I can get AI-generated thumbnails. Links to vidIQ and TubeBuddy are in the description. In 2025, leveraging AI can give you a competitive edge. This allows you to focus on what really matters, so you can connect with your audience and grow your income. So whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your channel, 2025 offers unparalleled opportunities. The question is, are you ready to take advantage of them? Let's break down the top 5 ways YouTube creators are cashing in on 2025. Ad revenue. The YouTube Partner Program continues to evolve, and in 2025, the updates work in your favor. If you have a higher RPM, it means you make more money for every 1,000 views you get on your videos. This is especially true if you focus on a specific niche and make your content highly engaging. For example, a tech channel might earn between $10 and $20 per 1,000 views, whereas a vlogging channel might earn between $1 and $3. Advertisers are willing to pay more for targeted, high-value audiences. Make sure you focus on creating videos that resonate deeply with your target audience, so you can maximize your ad revenue potential. Keep in mind the eligibility requirements to generate ad revenue from your channel requires 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 valid public watch hours in the past year or 10 million valid public shorts views in the last 90 days. After you fulfill those requirements, you can become a YouTube partner and monetize your videos. Another way to make money on YouTube is through fan funding. This includes channel memberships, super thanks, super chat and super stickers, and YouTube shopping. Channel memberships offer exclusive perks and content to monthly paying members. Click the join button below to become a member of my channel. Super thanks allows viewers to pay you to highlight their comments in videos and shorts. Super chat, super stickers allow fans to pay you to get their messages and animated images highlighted in live stream chats. Shopping allows viewers to browse and buy your own products as well as from other brands that you recommend. To earn from fan funding, you need 500 subscribers, 3 valid public uploads in the last 90 days, and either 3,000 valid public watch hours in the past year or 3 million valid public short views in the last 90 days. Merchandise and affiliate marketing. For example, if you're a fitness creator, you can sell branded workout gear and equipment and get a commission for every sale. Just make sure the products align with your brand and your audience. For example, I subscribed to the Knees Over Toe guy when I tore the meniscus in my left knee. I pay a monthly fee to get coached for my exercises so I can heal quicker. Since my niche is about how to generate traffic, leads, and sales using YouTube, I promote the TubeBuddy affiliate program. I've currently earned over $15,000 as an affiliate. This is because I actively use and promote their products. Link is in the description. Brand sponsorships. Partnering with brands is one of the most lucrative ways to monetize your channel, and you don't even have to be a YouTube partner. Start by reaching out to companies that align with your niche and your audience. If you have a well-crafted media kit and a clear pitch, it'll go a long way to getting sponsorship deals. For example, I got paid over $1,000 to make this video where I review video editing software. I got this free wireless mic for making a product review video. Digital products and services. If you're an expert in your niche, you can create ebooks, courses, and templates. For instance, if you're a travel vlogger, you can sell a guide on budget travel tips. Not only is this a great income stream, but it positions yourself as an authority in your field. For example, here's one of my courses on the secrets to increase audience engagement on YouTube. Link is in the description. YouTube is expanding its courses option to creators in 2025, expanding the way to make more money. As you can see in this example, creators can build their own video education offerings aligned with their channel. This provides another way to keep them engaged and make additional revenue. Channels can choose to charge for courses or even make them available for free. After you designate a playlist as a course, you'll get a special course badge on the Watch and Playlist page. It'll also appear on Search, Home, Watch Next, and anywhere else your course appears. Courses will appear as a dedicated tab on your channel page, and your courses may be featured on youtube.com/courses for easy discovery.
These tools are rolling out gradually to more creators, so if you don't see this option yet, sit tight.
Are you ready to take action? Here's your step-by-step guide to start making money on YouTube today. Choose a topic you're passionate about so you can talk about it endlessly. For example, I started my channel in 2006, and I'm still passionate about helping creators generate traffic, leads, and sales using YouTube. If you have a very broad niche like fitness, think about niching down to something more specific so you can get an engaged audience. For example, it could be something like how to build bulletproof knees for people over 50. Optimize your content. If you want to drive a lot of traffic to your videos, you need to optimize your thumbnails, titles, descriptions, and be consistent with your uploads. Your titles should spark curiosity and promise a lot of value. Your thumbnails need to stand out from your competitors. Being consistent builds trust with your audience. That's why I currently have over 116,000 subscribers. Keep in mind the success of a video is not determined within the first 48 hours of you uploading it to your channel. For example, this video got 207 views in the first 24 hours. Currently it's got 1,111,000 views since it was uploaded 4 years ago. It's made almost $5,000 and it still gets 221 views every 48 hours. You do the work once and reap the benefits month after month, year after year. Build engagement. Engagement is a key to growing your YouTube channel. Encourage viewers to comment, like, and share your videos with others. A simple call to action might be, what's your biggest takeaway? Let me know in the comments. Keep in mind engagement signals to YouTube means your content is worth recommending. Activate monetization. Once you hit the eligibility requirements of the YouTube Partner Program of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, you can start generating ad revenue from your videos. Keep in mind you can no longer choose whether you have skippable, non-skippable, or bumper ads on your videos because YouTube automatically assigns them to your videos. If your videos are 8 minutes or longer, you can manually place ad breaks throughout your video. This will help you to generate more revenue. Diversify income streams. Generating ad revenue from your videos is not the only way to make money on YouTube. If you're just starting out or have a small channel, you won't be able to enable monetization for your videos. Therefore, I recommend promoting affiliate products or your own products related to the content on your channel. Start with 1 or 2 additional income streams that align with your niche. If you're in tech, affiliate marketing for gadgets is a natural fit. Over time, expand into sponsorships, merchandise, or even create your own digital products like courses and ebooks. If you're an expert in your niche, you can even offer coaching services. If you implement these steps I mentioned in the video, you're laying a foundation for a thriving business. Think of every upload as a brick in your digital empire. It might feel slow at first, but each video and each interaction helps build momentum. Keep in mind your success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight, but with focus and persistence, your efforts will be rewarded. Have you ever wondered how much money YouTubers actually make from their videos? Watch the video on the screen right now on how much money do 10,000 YouTube views actually make. You'll be glad you did.